Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to learn how are you going to send Slack notification to team and reminder emails to new Calendly invite. So whenever a new Calendly invite takes place, a booking occurs, then you want to send that notification to the Slack team, that is your team members on Slack channel, and then you want to send a confirmation message to that customer whosoever has done the booking. So rather than doing this one by one step at one time manually, I would suggest create an automation with the help of Pabbly Connect, where you can integrate all these three applications together. And in this automation, our trigger will be invitee created in Calendly first of all. Then our first action will be to send channel message to your team on your Slack channel, and our last action step or destination will be to send email confirmation email to your customer via Gmail. Let us learn how to do that. So let us learn that whenever an appointment is confirmed in your Calendly application, then how you can send a Slack channel message to your team about the confirmation of that booking, and also send mail to the customer whosoever has booked this appointment, and also the reminder mails as well before 2 or 3 days of your appointment date. So let us begin and sign in into our account, so that we will reach this place where I can see all the applications provided by Pabbly, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect to create this automation. Click on Access Now. That will take me to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Reaching here, you will be able to see a big blue button on your right side where it is written Create Workflow. Click on the button and give a suitable name to your workflow. I'm going to name it as Send Slack messages to team and reminder emails to customers on Calendly booking. Click on Create, and then a blank workflow will be created for you, like you can see on your screen. Now that you see is Trigger and Action, the two major modules of Pabbly Connect, on which the complete automation runs over here. Trigger will be the first application where the event will take place, which will in turn trigger the workflow, making sure that the action application performs the assigned action over here. So before that, make sure you open the applications which you are going to integrate in this workflow today. Like I have opened my Calendly, my Slack, and also my Gmail, so that I can integrate or connect all these three applications with Pabbly Connect, such that we can make the changes, and also we can cross-check the changes that we are going to make with the help of this automation. So let us choose our trigger over here. Trigger is going to be the first application and that event that is going to take place in the very first place, like booking of the appointment on Calendly. So my application over here is going to be Calendly, and the event in Calendly will be invitee created user. Okay, so whenever an invitee is created or a customer creates a booking over here in my Calendly, then what will happen? First of all, a confirmation message will be sent to my team on my Slack channel, and then first mail will be sent to the customer as a confirmation. Then we will set up the workflow in such a way that after 2 days, or we can say before 2 days of the appointment, a reminder mail will also be sent. So let us first of all connect Calendly, so that whenever a booking is made over here, all the data related to that booking can be brought over here as a response. Click on Connect, add new connection, and connect with Calendly. Here it will automatically detect your open account and the connection is successful. See, so the organization is selected on its own, that is the link of our account, and then we have the username, which is admin again. Alright, so what we are going to do now is click on Save and Send Test Request, and you will see what response you receive. And you can see that it is waiting for a response. So what we are supposed to do now is that go to our Calendly and then do a sample booking over there. So this is my Calendly, and I am going to copy this link and open it in a new tab over here. This is my booking page for astrology consultation online. So I'm going to choose a day whenever it's available for me, like all the days are here as well. So I will be taking it on 3rd, and then the date I'm choosing, the time is this, and I will enter my details like name and the email address. Okay, and if you want to share anything new, so it's like, okay, so somebody is having marriage issues and they want to consult the astrology. So schedule event, and here it is done. My booking is confirmed, as you can see. I'll go back to my workflow and we will have a response over here, and it is right here in front of you. See, this is the email address we entered, this is the date of our event, the name of the person is here, the important detail is also here, the questions are also given. So we have received almost all the details. Now what we want to do is, first of all, send this information to our Slack channel, to our group, that we have received an appointment or a booking by so and so customer for so and so problem. So close this module, and then our action application will be Slack. First of all, here it is, and the event will be send channel message. Now, in order to send that data from Calendly to Slack, we need to connect Slack to Pabbly Connect, so that all the data that Pabbly Connect now has in this response format, we want to send that data or use that data to send message on our Slack channel. But one thing that I'm able to notice is that our created ad or the appointment date will be given somewhere here only. Okay, so let us find that date, which is actually the date of our appointment. We chose 3rd of August. So let us look for a date which looks like 3rd August. Here it is, end time. See, end time is actually the time when this complete appointment ends. This is the end date, and the time is also here. So similarly, we will be having a start time. See, the date is the same, but it is 45 minutes earlier because the session is of 45 minutes. So this is the date of our starting of our event. So we are going to use this date to send message on our Slack channel. So let us close this one over here, and now click on this plus button, because we will be changing the format of our date over here as per your own requirement. I will change it to my own time zone so that it is easier for me to understand. Format date with time zone. Click on connect. And now datetime formatter, which is a feature by Pabbly, is automatically connected to Pabbly Connect, and as the name suggests, that we can change the date and time or format as per our requirement. So first we will map the date. We are going to map it and not paste it over here, because every time a new entry or a new booking is done, then this date field will be updated with the new one automatically. So to map, we are going to insert the data from the previous step, open this drop down menu, and rather than scrolling through the list, I will just type in the search and map data, start, and see, this is the start time over here. Okay, so this is the date we want to format. Right now it is in which format? Right now it is in this format, and the format is also going to be the same, or we are going to change it. So I will make it a little easier. The date can look like this and the time will look like this. Okay, it will be separated and easy to understand. The time zone right now is UTC. So I will write UTC over here, and to which I want to change is Asia Kolkata, because it is my time zone, and here it is done. Click on save and send test request, and you will see the date formatted in front of you. See, it is right over here. This is the date and this is the time. Alright, so it is easy to understand, and the date and time are separated as well. So now close this module over here, and now we will connect Slack to Pabbly Connect. Click on connect, add new connection, and connect with Slack. Now to connect Slack with Pabbly Connect, you need a token type. In order to understand the difference of the tokens, user and bot, click on this here link. And see, it will take you to the forum by Pabbly page, where you will get the list that if you type user over there, you will be allowed to do these. And if you write bot over there, you will be allowed to perform these actions. So we want to send a channel message which is without image. Even if it was with image, you can choose bot. So simply I'm going to write bot over here and click on save. After that, you will just have to click on allow to give access to Pabbly Connect to send messages in any Slack channel, and your connection will be done. The connection is done, and now you have to choose a channel. Like here I have multiple channels. You can see I'm going to send the message on my general channel. So here in the drop down menu, I will choose general, and then I will type a message over here. New booking received. This is going to be static, and then I will map the name of the person, email address of the person, and maybe the issues and the date as well. So here I will write name. See, this is the name. Okay. You can also give fields in front of it, like name, colon, and then map the name over here. Then email, and then map the email. So simply from search and map data, you can straight away go to the email. Then we have date. So date we are going to take from datetime formatter, easier to understand. And in the end, problem. So the problem was this, because we have a hint, so we can write it over here. See, it's here. No image URL or anything else is left. Click on save and send test request, and this message will be sent to your group or channel. And here we have the response. See, the message is sent. The message will appear like this. See, over here. Alright, so let us close this window over here or this module over here and see, we have received new booking, received name, email, date and the problem of the person. So here is our message. You can modify and customize this message according to your own requirement. So which means that we were able to send a Slack notification. Now what is left? Sending a confirmation email to our customer that the booking has been done. So first of all, click on the plus button and then add Gmail over here or any other mail application that you want to use. I'm using Gmail because it is easy to use and also to integrate. The action event will be send email, and we are going to use the email address given to us during the booking to send the email to our customer. First of all, connect Gmail with Pabbly Connect. Choose your connection and connect with Gmail. Choose your Google account and click on allow. And here the connection is done. Now see, since it is done, you have to enter the recipient email address over here. Then we have the sender's name, email subject, and also the content where you will be framing a message or a mail that your booking has been confirmed. Okay, so in the recipient email address, I will straight away map it from here. This is my email address where I want to send the message. The sender name is Astrology Consultation Online. This is the sender's name. The subject is booking confirmed, and then we have the email content. So I will frame an email over here, hello, and I will map the data, which is this name. Then your booking for the astrology, so I will map the name here. Okay, is confirmed on, and then the date, please be on time. Now again, I would like to remind that you can frame this message according to yourself. I am just framing a dummy and simple mail over here. I will click on save and send test request, and my mail will be sent to that person over here. And see, the status is sent. So let us close this module, and then we will go to see that our email has been sent or not. Here we have a mail, astrology consultant. Open this one, see. Booking confirmed, astrology consultation is here, and this is our message. Here is the date and here is the time, which means that we were able to send a message right here to the customer. Now we were able to send a Slack notification also and mail also, but in the name of our workflow, we have reminder email, which means that 2-3 days before the appointment, we have to send a reminder email to the person. So what we are going to do is, this is our date. Okay, this is the date of the appointment, and now we are going to subtract 2 days from this date, and then we will send a mail on the -2 days of the appointment date. So if whatever is the date, like whatever date is over here, we will subtract the 2 days from that, and at that date we will send the mail to the customer for the reminder. So let us begin. First of all, we already have the date, so I'm just going to add over here, add or subtract date with the help of date time formatter again. Choose your application as datetime formatter, and the action event over here is going to be add subtract time. Click on connect, connection will be done automatically, and then we will enter the date that has to be changed. So like you can read over here that please ensure the date should be in ISO format. Either it should look like this or it should look like this. So if you remember that we have this format of date in our trigger response, so I'm going to take the response from here and type in the search and map data start date, and this is our date over here. Alright, so I'm going to take this one, and the expression is -2 days because I want to send the mail 2 days before the actual date of appointment. To format is the format of the date in which you want to change the date. So we want to put the format in which the delay module accepts, because we are going to delay the sending of this email to that specific date. So let us click on this plus button and see which format is accepted by our delay module. So I'm going to write delay over here as my action application, and here delay until some time. See which is the format. This is our format without TZ anything. So it has to be in UTC format also. So I'm going to write, or you can just simply copy it for better understanding. So I will copy this format from here and paste in this field, and see, this is the one you are looking for. This is the format you want to change it to, and the existing one is this. Okay, click on save and send test request, and the new date that you are going to receive is -2 days of the date of the appointment. See, it's 1st of August. So we have changed the date over here. So I'm going to close this module, and now we will put the delay module. So now, because we don't have to make any changes, you can just simply choose it all over again so that the settings are saved and you get the fields to map the value. And delay until again. Delay date, we are going to take the date from the formatter. This is the date. So it will delay this complete workflow till this date, which is 1st of August. We are creating the workflow today, but the mail will not be sent today. It will be delayed until 1st of August. And then when this date arrives, then we are going to add the last module over here, which is going to be Gmail again, and a reminder mail will be sent. Click on this plus button, and last action step will be added, which is Gmail again. We have already sent a confirmation email, but this time we are creating a mail or a sample. We are composing it for a reminder email. So now you don't have to go for add new connection. Select the existing connection and everything will be same. So recipient email address. Here is the recipient email address. What is the sender's name? Again, the astrology one. So I'm going to take it from here. Email is reminder, subject is reminder, and here I will prepare a content. Your appointment for what? Astrology. So here I'm going to take astrology consultation online is, I'm writing 2 days over here because I have put the delay for -2 days of the original date of the appointment. Again, you can add more details to this one as per your own requirement. This is the mail that I have created, and I will save this one. If I click on save and send test request, the mail will be sent right here, right now. Okay, but we don't want to send this mail today. We want to send this mail after the delay. So I have saved this step, and this saving will make sure that when this delay will work, the mail will be sent. So this is our workflow. Let us close these modules and understand. First, an invitee will book the appointment. Then using the date time formatter, we will separate the date and time so that it is easy to send the message on Slack and Gmail to the customer. Alright, and then we will take the date time formatter to subtract -2 days from the day of the appointment so that we can put a delay. So the workflow will run till here, reach delay, and see that the workflow after delay has to run on this specific date, that is 1st of August, according to this date, whatever date the appointment is, -2 days to that. Alright, and then this delay will make sure that whatever delay is applied over here, after that only this step comes into work. So this was the whole workflow. I hope this helped. Not just these applications, but you can integrate many other applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any issue regarding Pabbly, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts regarding our pricing, then you can connect us through this given website. If you found this video helpful in any way, then make sure to share this with your friends and colleagues to make their life easier by creating automations. We will meet in the next video. Till then, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.